Hello everyone, thanks for watching CAD Learners. On today's tutorial we will discuss about how to edit and how to write AutoCAD blocks. So without wasting of time, let's get started. So in previous tutorial we have learned how to create AutoCAD blocks and how to insert them to the drawing. You can watch the previous tutorial by clicking in the link that shows in screen right now. So here you can see an AutoCAD block. Let's start editing. Suppose you want to rename this block. How can you do it? It's very easy. Just type REN on the command prompt and press enter. Now you will get this window. From here you can select what kind of object you want to rename. In our case, it's block. So I will select block. Now here AutoCAD will list all available blocks in the drawing. Select the required block from the list. I will select table with chair. So here you can see that AutoCAD shows the old name of the block. Also we can see here an empty callout. Here we will enter a new name for our block. I will type conference table as the new name. Now I will click on this icon, which is renamed to. As soon as I click, you can find that our block is renamed instantly. Now I will press OK. Let's check the block here. Our renamed block is ready here. So in this way you can rename your AutoCAD blocks. Now let's learn how to make changes to our AutoCAD blocks. The main advantage of AutoCAD block is, if we make any changes for a particular block, it will apply to all the copies of the block which you have in the drawing. For that we have a new AutoCAD drawings here. So this is a floor plan of a toilet and washing area. And you can see that there is lot of block is placed in the drawing. Now I will select this block and click the right mouse button. Here you can see two options. The first one is block editor and the second one is edit block in place. You can choose any option as per your requirement. First of all I will check edit block in place option. I will click on this. Now you will get this small window. Here you can see the reference name and preview of our block. Please select our block from here, if it is not selected, and press OK. Now you can see our block is ready for editing. And also note that our block editor background. We can see the drawing in the model space. This is the difference between block editor and block edit in place option. Now I will make some changes for this block. I will delete these lines. Now in order to save this block, click on this small arrow. Here you can see Save Changes option. Click on this. Now AutoCAD will prompt you to conform the changes. Click OK. So our block is ready with some changes. And it also applied to all the instances of the block here. Now we will check the block editor option. Select a block. And right-click from here. I will select block editor. As soon as I click, you can see that we have got a new editing workspace with grey background. Also, we can see here, new editing ribbon is active. So in this option we can't see the drawing in the background. Now I will do some changes for our block. I will extend these lines. Now if you want to save the current action, you can just click here and save the changes. Or if you want to close this block editor window, you can click on Close Block Editor icon. So in this way you can add or remove objects to your existing block. Now let's check what is writing a block. The difference between creating a block and writing a block are: if we create a new block, it is saved in the same project file. But the writing a block means this command allows us to save the required drawing or block in a separate file. Suppose your friend asks you to give a particular AutoCAD block for his project, but you don't want to give your entire project file. So in this case you have two options. Either you can copy the CAD block to a new AutoCAD file, and you can send. The second option is you can use AutoCAD write block command and save as a separate file. So let's check it. Here you can see that these are different AutoCAD blocks. For our tutorial, I will make these 3 blocks into a single block in a separate AutoCAD file. So in order to start, go to Insert menu. From here click on this small arrow. Here you can see Write Block option. Alternatively you can type W on the command line. Now you will get this window. Here you have couple of options to select. If you want to write a particular block, you can select the first option. If you want to write your entire drawing into a separate file, you can select the second option. And finally, if you want to select some particular objects, you can choose Objects. I will select Object for now. And from here, I will specify a base point. I will click on this icon. Now select a base point. Now I will click on this icon and select all these 3 blocks. I will select Retain from here, because we don't want to affect to our selected block. Now here you can specify the location where you want to save the file. I will select Default Location. I will click here. And change the file name. I will type WC5. Now click on Save. Here you can select the unit as per your requirement. I will go with unitless. Now click OK. So now our block is saved in a separate file. Let's check it. I will type I for inserting a block. From here I will browse for our new file. So here it is. I will select the file and click Open. Now here you can see a new block. Click OK. Now place the block wherever you want. So this is all for today. Hope you understand my tutorial. If you like my video, consider subscribing my channel. Until we see on next video. Bye.